Hi everybody, it's Roseann from LIVFITT, and today I am going to share with you another delicious green smoothie recipe that's super simple to make. And we're going to superfy it today. So I've got my high-speed blender. We're going to throw in two big handfuls of greens. This happens to be baby spinach. You know, I like to actually green it up, so sometimes I go up to 4 handfuls. The next thing we're gonna have is our organic mangoes. Now, it's great when you can buy them fresh, but you know, they're kind of a pain in the butt. So I just buy them frozen and chopped up already, and I'm gonna put half of a bag in. That's about 1 cup. Then I also freeze my cucumbers. So, you know, I buy a bunch of cucumbers, peel them and freeze them up. That way they're ready to go and they're frozen, so they're going to make my smoothie that much colder. So I've got probably, I don't know, half a cup, maybe a third of a cucumber in there. Also, you know my tip about bananas, I'm going to take, oh gosh, not quite, I would say 2 pieces, about be a third of a banana. So I kind of cut down on my fruit as I get more into my green smoothies. In the beginning, you're not used to not liking the taste of green, so put more fruit in, but eventually more green, less fruit. So I've got the mango, I've got the cucumber. The next thing I'm going to do is actually add coconut flakes. Instead of coconut milk, I am just gonna go right ahead and get the good old coconut flakes in here, and we're gonna add about 2.5 teaspoons of that. Okay, you can use coconut milk. I'm just going for water as my liquid. I know, I just kind of do that instead. And of course, I like to always have protein in my smoothies. This becomes a complete meal. The coconut is the fat. The protein is the organic vanilla protein. 2 scoops of that. And I'm also going to add, like I said, I'm going to superfy my green smoothie. And this is a combination of spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, nettle leaf, burdock root, alfalfa greens, barley grass, broccoli, cactus, dandelion, kale, oatgrass, parsley leaf, horsetail, spinach, kale, dulse, and ginger root. So, you know, that's a lot of good stuff, and I'm only going to put 2 teaspoons of this. Again, the superfoods are meant to help us. They have a lot of benefits. They will help you with cutting inflammation. They're going to help you with regulating your metabolism, helping cut down cholesterol. Got about 8 ice cubes or so. What else do superfoods do? They're helping with cancer, with removing toxins, generally up-leveling your health. They're just good for you. And last but not least, I've got my doTERRA essential oil. I'm using lime. I have just about 2 drops of that. So that's all it's going to take today to make this mango green smoothie. I am not going to blend it up because it's a nasty loud noise, but this will make me 1 quart of green smoothie, which I can enjoy for breakfast, for lunch, for snacks, or whatever. It is a complete meal, and it's completely easy to make, and it's completely loaded with lots of superfoods. So that's it for today. I hope you will try this recipe, and please let me know what you think of it. Until I talk to you again, stay safe, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep sipping those green smoothies. Bye for now.